Hello everyone, Bear Trap here, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're not doing a gaming video today, but I just want to show you guys something. So, you see my dog here, Ollie? He absolutely loves this toy so freaking much. And if I try to take it away, come on, give me the toy. He goes absolutely ballistic. Give me the toy. See? He's going at... See? Look at this. He just won't let go. Now I'm like... That's where the bed is. That's... Ow! Ow! My hand. Now he's starting to claw at my hand. Oh, nice. Ollie. Come on. Give us the ball. Go with the ball, Eddie. Yep. This is what my dog does every time we give him the ball. Come on. Oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on, Ollie. Ollie. Hey. Hey. Hey, chill. Chill. Jeez, chill, dude. Come on, chill. Who's a happy dog? Who's a happy dog? Who's happy dog? Who's happy doggy? Come on, give me the ball. Come on, Ollie, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Come on, give me the ball. Come on, you crazy dog. Ah. Oh, come on. Okay, come on. Come on, Ollie. Give me the ball. Yep. As you can see, he does not want to give me the ball. Ollie, give me the ball. Give me the stupid ball. Come on. Come on. Ollie, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Stop clawing my hand. Stop clawing my freaking hand. Stop clawing my hand and give me this dumb ball, okay? Okay? No clawing my... Ah! Stop clawing me! Jeez, this dog is trying to kill me now. No scratching. I think you can go a day without scratching. Nope. Nope. No, come on. Hey, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Come on. Come on, give me the ball. Alright. Okay, now let's try to see how far my dog would go to get the ball. How far would you go, Ollie? Well, that's it for today's video. That's how crazy my dog is to get the ball. He traveled all that way to get the ball. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Leave a like below, and I'll see you next time.